Hello friends, Kararak with you again, and you may see that I am near my Ford Edge to answer one of your questions you ask about this car. And the question is, where is the dipstick that you can use to check the oil level or the fluid level in the transmission? We have a 2.0 EcoBoost engine with, I suppose, the 6-speed transmission, but I'm not sure. But anyway, any transmission in the new generation of Ford Edge will not have any dipstick in the transmission. The transmission is down there, you can see it from here, and you will not find any dipstick. It's impossible. Ford doesn't allow you to check the fluid levels in these transmissions just with the dipstick, so you will have to go to the dealership and they will measure this. If you mean this dipstick, it's for engine oil, not for transmission fluid, unfortunately. So I hope I answered your question. See you in the next videos.